In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Notion goal trackers to plan, track, and achieve your goals. Notion shines because it's flexible and all-in-one, so you can build a system that fits your life, personal, academic, or professional, and keep everything connected in a single place you'll actually use. Start by customizing your tracker. With Notion's building blocks, you can create a database to store goals, then view them as boards, calendars, tables, or timelines. Add properties like status, due dates, categories, and priority, and include a notes section to capture context. The best part is that your setup can evolve as your goals change, so you're never stuck with a rigid template. Keep everything centralized. Instead of bouncing between apps, use one workspace for notes, tasks, habits, and goals. Link related pages, like connecting a goal to a project plan or a knowledge page. When all your materials live together, decisions get easier and follow-through improves. Make progress visible. Use progress bars, visual roadmaps, and calendar views to see what's coming up and what's complete. Even a simple percentage roll-up or a timeline can highlight momentum, which is a powerful motivator on long projects. Turn ambitions into action by breaking each goal into milestones and tasks. Assign due dates, define what done looks like, and capture clear next steps. This transforms big, abstract outcomes into concrete, achievable actions you can execute day by day. Invite accountability by sharing your tracker with teammates or family. Collaborate in real time, leave comments, and review progress together. When people can see the plan and the updates, support and alignment follow naturally. Integrate goals with your existing workflow. Relate goals to project pages, meeting notes, and documentation so daily tasks map back to what matters most. Filters and linked views can show only the tasks tied to a specific goal, keeping your focus tight. Stay consistent with cross-device access. Notion works on web, desktop, and mobile, so you can review goals, check off tasks, or capture ideas wherever you are. A quick update on the go keeps your system current and trustworthy. Lean on proven frameworks like SMART, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Many templates already embed this structure, helping you write clear goals with metrics and deadlines. Finally, fuel motivation by tracking wins and celebrating milestones. A weekly review of what moved forward keeps momentum high. To get started fast, explore the Notion template gallery, pick a goal tracker that fits your style, and tailor it as you go. With a structured yet adaptable approach, you'll build a system that helps you plan, track, and actually achieve your goals.